There's my bed. We're going to move our agenda around because he wants to come and see the show. I have a video of my little boy. I have a little boy who's 9 who sent a video for you girls. Ow! Zizi's given her flip-flops away. Morning. Hi guys, it's my first full day here in Ghana. It's early, it's about 6 AM, but I've been up for about half an hour and no one will give me a job. They're all just like, no, we're busy. Like everyone's just washing and I don't think they want us to take the jobs away. We're here to do our own charity jobs, but I'm just so not used to it. Like, I'm used to just getting up and having so much to do. But I thought I would just take this chance to show you our little accommodation tour. So we're staying in this little house in the village. This is the little lead up to our house. Poke my head out and say good morning. It's Sunday today, so people will be doing their chores, helping their families, and then getting their Sunday best on for church, I guess. This is the bathroom. Not being used. No. This is our bathroom, which is really nice, clean. And I'm going to have to get Genevieve to show me how to use this shower, which is the bucket. It's good that I've lost my toothbrush and toothpaste already. Yeah, so we just shower under that bucket, which would be nice. I feel like I need a shower actually. Luckily it's not been too hot since we've been here, because it's been raining, but last night I actually slept really well. The only thing was just it was so noisy because there's music playing and everything like that. And here is the little locked room where we have our luggage, but I didn't have a key with me. And I guess you could sleep inside into these little rooms, which is where a few families live in this courtyard. So last night all the kids were just queuing out here because we were in there. So yeah, families live in these little ones, but it's just so hot. So we are in the courtyard, sleeping outside. I've actually slept really well, we're feeling really refreshed. I'll be quiet because everyone's still sleeping. So we lock ourselves in here. Everything we've brought with us, all our water. And there's my bed, sleeping by the door. Genevieve, Nicole and Zizi. And in the evening, so last night we sat here, had our dinner. It's underneath a little fan. And that's it. Other people waking up. This is Nora and Bright and Doris, who are from the charity as well. But she's doing some washing up, won't let me help. The girls are still sleeping. We're under mosquito nets. So I've heard rumours that somebody has bought coffee, which I'm excited about. And yeah, just get on with today. Today is Sunday, as I said, to the school's not open until tomorrow, so just today getting organised. We might go to see the church, but it's already starts at like 6:30, so we might not make it. Just to go and see and joining that bit of village life. And then I'm going to go through all the content planning because I am in charge of helping, number one, teach the kids to make their own videos, because the charity is going to have a private YouTube channel set up for anyone sponsoring education here in this village in Ghana. The school is 100% funded by sponsors, and we've already heard that some of the children who were in the school last time the team came are already out of school because not getting the funding. So they're going to have a private YouTube channel where they're sharing content. They want to show you the work that the children are doing kind of more first hand, more in a modern way. Hopefully that will encourage awareness of the school and sponsors. If you would please sponsor an education while I'm here, I'll put the link below. I can hear the kids speaking up, it's making me emotional because it's mine. That's the only thing I'm sad about, like being here is great. This is our breakfast today. That's mine, I've already eaten. We've got toast, fruit. I've got my coffee under my lap. Bright's busy. Everyone's up now. the early risers. We were up first.
Yes.
I wonder if I'll be up first every day. Hopefully
I think so.
I might learn to relax. So we're going to go down and look at the church.
Okay.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Yeah, the kids have taught me the dance.
Yeah.
They were teaching me.
Okay.
Yeah. Outside this morning. And then we'll have our bucket shower. Arrived at the church. Everyone looks beautiful.
Humanities School. So we're here to do some workshops with the children. We've got singing, dancing. We want to put on a show later on in the week. And I'm here to start a high school in Ayuswako.
Amen. So what we also say to you, welcome.
Thank you.
You called me. My son, Ellie said, I did not call. Go back and lie down. Now, someone did not yet know the Lord. The Lord of the Lord, the word of the Lord had not yet been revealed to him.
I'm ready for my first shower. It's absolutely boiling. So I fill up the bucket, take this little bucket and sling it over me. And I can't wait. Figuring out whether to wash my hair, but I think I'm just going to keep dry shampooing it. Sort of thing we still worry about. This is going to be the best shower I've ever had. I can hardly take my shoes off because my feet are so hot and swollen. That was what was keeping me up last night a little bit, just my feet. It just reminds me of pregnancy. And one of the ladies said she's 9 months pregnant. So I've been trying to sit down with my feet up in the air. Then I feel like I look like I'm like lounging around, relaxing, but that's been, it's almost painful, isn't it? You know, when your feet go like, ouch. Other than that, feeling really, really well, safe, looked after, happy, really happy. You're learning some ballroom, Mama. So good. Special ending. Yeah, she reminds me of Evelina. I was saying Evelina likes to watch and not give too much away, same as Amma. We've been playing some hide and seek outside and we've been doing some clapping games. It's Sunday early afternoon now, and yeah, we're just hanging out in our courtyard. All the kids have kind of gone home for their lunch, and then we're going to walk up and see the site for the new secondary school that Humanitas is building. We just announced in church that the new secondary school is coming, and oh, it was just such an emotional moment for the charity workers here, because everyone just gave this massive applause, and they were like, the secondary school's coming, a high school for our children. It was just really like emotional to talk about, because it was just like, you know, like just for the charity workers to see them crying was just really special for them, because they work on this tirelessly at home, and it's all through sponsors and education. So it's £7 a month to sponsor an education. That money doesn't go to an individual child, it goes to support the school, but obviously it means more and more children can come in, but they need 130 students in that school education sponsored to go on and do the next one. So we're going to go and see the site now, and that video, I'm going to be videoing that because I'm here as like kind of content creator, and that will be up on Humanitas' YouTube page. So yeah, it's just Scorchio. When we walk out there, we'll probably have our little army of kids behind us. We're getting to know them slowly, which is just really nice. And when I walk around the village, everyone's like, Sarah, Sarah. So funny. Bright and Nora are with Humanitas charity. Just noticed that Emma's palms are looking a bit yellow, so we're going to check her over. And so Bright is the nurse, and Nora is her auntie, and she runs the Humanitas project here. So also good to have a little check over of the children and make sure that they're well. Look, see if my flip trip works for the smile. Look, who's that? You're trying not to smile, but I can see your smile. Can you see? You're trying not to smile.
Probably not.
No, don't worry, I won't. Don't worry.
No, it's okay. Once I
Yeah, we'll ask. We're just going to the Chief's Palace now to talk to him about the land that we need for the secondary school. Not me, thankfully, Nora and Genevieve. But we're invited as foreigners to come and meet the Chief as well. And not to video him, obviously. I guess he's Chief for more than just this area. This is the Chief's Palace when he's there. And that's our house just there, so we live. We've got very posh neighbours.
this one, he has to rush to come and have a meeting with us. Yeah. So we will also dress you like a queen mother when you all join, like this.
Oh wow, yes, good idea. Wow, he's going to dress us like this for his...
Yeah, like next, he was saying next time.
Okay.
Uh-huh. So we just met the Chief. I think that Nicole is going to be the chiefess. We'll be coming back and like, can we have a meeting with Nicole?
Yeah.
He knows my surname now.
Yeah, he does. We're tracking down your grandfather. So that was the meeting. So I guess now they're paying them money, securing some land, and now we've got to move our agenda around because he wants to come and see the show that Zizi and Nicole are putting on. But he can only do Tuesday. So that's fine, we'll just rejig things. Yeah, I feel like he's going to be an intimidating audience. I know, he's like the Simon Cowell. I know, do anything. Simon Cowell's coming.
Oh my god.
It is proper nerve-wracking, but yeah, so we're going to go have a little bit of rest. I saw a football kicking around. Yeah, lie under some, it's properly scorchio today. Get our planning on. Scorchio, I keep saying that. Hey! The boys have stopped us to get some water. They're being such good boys, they're sharing. Ready? Can you see yourselves? It's a video, not a photo. You can move around. They love this little flip screen. Hi everyone! So this is our school! Oh, well done! So we're at the school today, Friday and Sunday. You good? This is one of my friends. We've been hanging out, showing me around. All the girls look so beautiful today because they're in their Sunday dresses. Oh, it looks so beautiful. We're up here in the school over the weekend trying to get our Wi-Fi working. I'm the only one whose Wi-Fi is not working. And it's scorching, as you can tell. This is the troublemaker. Yes, the mischief maker. You see all the little personalities remind me of the kids at home. Got a little dance show going on. I just love how happy they are. We've got some coconuts. So we're at the school now. This is our head teacher and head mistress, Miss Coffee.
and Madam Victoria. She's
Mother Victoria, yeah. We're outside the library, but it's Sunday today, so the kids aren't at school, but a lot of the kids, they live up here. Yeah, they live in the little houses around here. And they're doing the best dancing. And they laugh every time I join in. Don't think they've seen my move. Who needs Zizi Strallen? Zizi and Nicole arrive. I love how they arrive always with like all the kids. Hi Emma. The girls is playing a game. I don't know what game is. I'm loving all the girls' names. Do you think I remember the names? Shall I try? Mabel? Yes? Anna? Yes? Josephine? Yes? Oh, I need to end now. I'm doing too good. Okay, I'm going to keep going. You know I love a baby name. Okay, Abigail? Yes? And your name, I'd never heard it before. Yay! Dorothy. That's it, because I don't know that name before. Dorothy. And what are your two names? What's your name? Beata? Alberta. Beautiful name. What's your name? Deborah. My best friend is Deborah. My best friend. Beautiful names. I remember my name now. Sarah. That's right. You're good. So now we're best friends. Now we have to be best friends forever. This is my new best friend gang. All our friends. Oh my goodness, we might have our Wi-Fi. So tomorrow we're going to teach the girls and everyone to do some videos. And then I have a video of my little boy. I have a little boy who's 9. He sent a video for you girls. You want to see it tomorrow? Yeah, guess what he's doing? He's dancing. I got a video of Freddie and he's doing a dance called The Floss for you. And he wants you to do the dance back to him on video. Will you do that tomorrow? Yes. Yeah? It's going to be so fun. So the idea is that when we have this YouTube channel, the school here will have a private channel. And I'm going to set it up. And then the UK kids can send the messages direct to all our little friends here. So yeah, Freddie, everyone in Ghana is about to see you flossing. Zizi's given her flip-flops away. It's so tough for the children. They walk on in your feet, don't you? All across the rocks. So we have a nurse with us who do some cuts and praises. Oh, the kids are coming out now. Thank you for walking us back. Thank you. Oh, we're back. I think we go in for a little bit now. You can have the water. And we'll see you later. See you later.